Good morning, everyone. I'm Abdullah. I'm in my first year at York University studying the biomedical sciences. Today, we will be making a DIY xylophone using items from your own kitchen, like measuring cups, spoons, water, as well as glass cups. We want to know exactly how sound travels to our ears and why glasses with different amounts of water produce different notes when they're slightly tapped. We will be using glass cups, so do place them on a large stable surface and don't break them when you're slightly tapping them to play your notes. With that said, we'll get started with our material. For this experiment, you need measuring cups, glass cups, spoons, water, and you could use either pencil and sticky notes or food coloring to label the glass cups. We will be filling these cups with different amounts of water to produce the different notes on our xylophone. To get started, your first glass will have no water. Your second glass will have a quarter cup of water, so using the appropriate quarter cup measuring cup, transfer a quarter cup of water to this glass. Your third glass will have half a cup of water. The fourth glass will have 3/4 of a cup of water. And lastly, your fifth glass will have a whole cup of water. You can use measuring cups to accurately transfer the varying amounts of water to each of these glasses. Feel free to label each of your cups with the varying amounts of water with either food coloring and/or sticky notes. With your spoons, slightly tap the top of each cup. Be careful as to not break the cups. As we just heard, glasses with more water produce sound with a lower pitch, whereas glasses with less water produce sound at a higher pitch. So when we hear sound, it's really just a vibration of particles near us that travel to our ear. By hitting this glass, we cause the glass to vibrate, and this is transmitted through the air by vibrations of the air particles to our ear. This glass has no water poured into it right now, and when it's hit, therefore, it will actually vibrate faster. These faster vibrations result in sound that has a higher pitch. However, as I add more water, the glass vibrates slower and produces sound at a lower pitch. So to recap, we hear sound through vibrations of air particles, and when we hit a glass, the vibrating glass transmits sound through the air and to us. However, as we add more water to an empty glass, the vibrations are slower due to the water, and so we hear sound with a lower pitch. We can observe these pitches of sound all around us with musical instruments, our own voices, and even when we drive on the road. Try this experiment out at home and tag Pueblo Science in your results. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to see more content. And do comment below what you would like to see us try next time. Have a great day.